Attach 2 brackets onto the retractable pet gate. Peel off the backing paper on the brackets. Confirm the installation location. Take the retractable pet gate out of the brackets. Mark the mounting holes, then remove the brackets. Drill holes at the marked spots with an electric drill. Insert expansion screws into all holes and fasten the 2 brackets to the wall with screws. Install the retractable pet gate into the brackets. Tighten the screw to secure the gate. Pull the retractable pet gate horizontally to the opposite door frame to determine the latch installation position. Mark the mounting holes of latches. Drill holes at the marked spots with an electric drill. Insert the expansion screws into all holes. Then secure the 2 latches to the wall with screws. Press the button and slide to unlock position. Slide to lock position.